So, and with that being said, how do you combat being a global business and not making money in your niche right now?
We're making money in our niche.
But like I'm talking about, like with taking this thing to multiple eight figures in your niche and then going wider. Like against like the business philosophy of deeper, not wider is what I'm saying.
So the reason why we're going wide, and maybe Anthony can speak on this. This is more of his. The reason why we're going wide and not deep is because our customers are infinite. Our customers can be your neighbor. And Anthony can take over on this one.
Yeah, I was gonna say that it's. I think it's as far as like going deep instead of wide. I don't think in terms of going wide as our global users, right? I think the depth that we are taking advantage of and capitalizing on is is just our niche in general. So we're going like into real estate. Like we know this could have been any kind of company. We could have launched it with any kind of software. It could have been a do-all software. So we just went as deep as possible into real estate, even beyond some of the depths of what the gurus might sell you. And that's the only thing that we used for momentum. So we're just going as deep as we can into that one space. And then as far as like our user base being spread out, again, it's less about dominating in your like local market. Our local market is just real estate and land, and that's what's setting us apart from everybody else. So as we penetrate deeper and deeper into the land space and drive up the volume, to infinity, yeah, then we're just kind of just like covering the whole entire globe with just the same concept. So it's not affecting our ability to go deep.